Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials so you don't chase ghosts. Check Internet, VPN, and airplane mode, and ensure the firewall isn't blocking Outlook. Once done, launch Outlook in safe mode, hold Control or run Outlook. exe/safe to isolate add-ins. Make sure to note your account type and server details. Record any recent password or policy changes, because those facts guide the next steps and prevent retracing effort later. You now focus on account-level fixes. Open account settings, run test account settings, and use the repair tool to autocorrect common issues. Make sure to manually verify incoming/outgoing server names, port numbers, and encryption, SSL versus TLS, and confirm the authentication method matches provider requirements. Once done, disable add-ins, and if the problem persists, recreate the Outlook profile to eliminate profile corruption. These steps remove mismatches that commonly cause endless connection attempts. Finish by cleaning local state. Close Outlook, delete the offline OSD/cache or rebuild it, and clear the outbox of stuck messages so synchronization can proceed. Next, verify network-level causes. Check proxy settings, DNS resolution, and try a mobile hotspot to isolate ISP or corporate blocks. If you still see trying to connect, collect logs and account diagnostics, and escalate with your provider or Microsoft support. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a new profile on a clean network to quickly separate client issues from server-side problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.